guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome to the channel. We have a mini release today. I'm super excited. So we have an I Want It All bundle. So I know you guys love these bundles, and this theme is hot cocoa, and it is just so cute. I had so much fun creating some projects with this. I don't know if I want to share the projects or the products first. So the I Want It All bundle, you'll get these 4 items. Now there's an option to get the die for the stamp set. So if you want the die, there's a little drop down menu. You open that up and then you'll see where it says I want the die, and you can add it to your cart. It'll add $16.99 to the bundle for the die. Now there was a little manufacturing problem with the die. So I wanted the handle to be cut on the inside of both of the mugs here, and they didn't do it on this tall one here. So they are rushing my order to fix that error, and I'm expecting the die to be in sometime next week. So if you don't mind waiting for the die, just go ahead and check out with the die. If you really want the die and you don't mind having this one that doesn't cut out the little inside of this mug handle, leave me a comment with your order saying send me the die as is. Send me the die as is. I want my order right away or whatever. So something that I know you're okay with this die. Okay, so the die does cut out all the sentiments, everything on the stamp set. So here's the stamp set. It is just super adorable. We've got 2 super cute mugs. This one's filled with marshmallows to the brim. A little candy stick in there, and then this one's got a candy cane, and then there's a little decoration on the front of this mug, little snowflake. There's steam coming out. We've got these yummy cookies on little strings with a bow. One's a heart, one's a star. We've got some cinnamon sticks wrapped with a bow. We've got some peppermints, a little star. We've got the sentiment warmest thanks and hot cocoa warm hearts with a little mug. It's just so cute. And then we have ephemera, paper pad, and a stencil. So look how pretty that stencil is. So to make beautiful backgrounds for any of your cards, it's called Snow Flurries, designed by Call Me Crafty Al. And it is just super fun. We've got hot cocoa warm hearts paper pad, 6x6, 4 of each design, double-sided, 24 double-sided designs. So I'll flip through this and I'll flip through the ephemera, but let me show you the cards really quick so you have an idea in case you're off running to the shop right now. So I made up a quick little tag. I did some ink blending, and I used the little snowflake stencil in the background with this Lawn Fawn stencil fairy dust paste. So this is really fun. I have this in the shop, and I have the other colors. I think there's white, gold, and a silver, and a pearl. I think there's even a glow-in-the-dark one. So check that out under the Lawn Fawn section. And then there's that sentiment cut out with the die. And then these I cut out with my brother Scan and Cut. So see, it didn't cut out the inside of the handle there. And then I have this sheet from the paper pad in the back there, and a cute little pattern on the back. I tied it with a bow, and then that little heart papers from the paper pad as well. And here's another card. So this one is stamped flat onto the paper. So this one is one layered card. This is a piece of paper here, and this little bow is from the ephemera pack, and that turned out really cute. Nice, cute, and simple. And then this one, I used the warmest thanks, popped up the little peppermints, and then used a bunch of the papers from the paper pad. Turned out really cute. Hung the little cookie. And then I started working on another one, so I just wanted to show how pretty the background is. And I used that paste, how shimmery. So it's over an ink blended background and then white splatters. So that's going to be a fun card. So these are all my hot cocoa packets. But let me share this first. So we've got these really cute die cuts. So that's what I used for all of this. So I'm just going to go through some of it really quickly. So there's some sentiments in here, hot chocolate weather, but first hot cocoa. We've got cute little mugs, a cute little marshmallow man, and these cookies. Those are so pretty. I love the colors in this collection here. More sentiments, a little jar of peppermints, and then we've got a pile of marshmallows with peppermints in the background. There's bows and then peppermints, more hot cocoa mugs, and then you get the tall one, and then the little short one with the marshmallows. I love those little cookies. So you get duplicates. There's candy canes, stars, snowflakes, and there's some bows. My camera cut off. I don't know where it cut off, but let me just show you the very cute ephemeras in case I missed something here. So you get the mugs, the marshmallows, these hanging cookies, some sentiments in here, bows, all kinds of goodies. We've got the Hot Cocoa Warm Hearts paper pad designed by Teresa Russell, who is fresh and renewed with Teresa here on YouTube. And I just love it. I love how she does 4 of each design. Look at how cute that is. I love the buffalo check. And then we've got, this is like a white with grayish tone. You get, they're little marshmallows. So just a faint little design. And then we've got some cookies, those little raspberry cookies. And then these really pretty cookies. Little polka dots, but they're hearts. A pretty pink color, and there's those raspberry cookies. We've got a hot cocoa mug with some peppermints, and then there's some trees in the background, and then a sheet of peppermints. We've got a brown sheet, perfect to go with the hot cocoa theme, and then some trees on the background, some wintry trees, and then this little scene with cookies, cupcakes, and cocoa mug, peppermints, and then I really love this plaid. So a great collection. So let's move on to these hot cocoa pocket sleeve holder thingies. So I made these with sleeves from the holding your coffee sleeves. I save these and I recycle them into projects. So one of the projects I like doing is these sleeves that hold a little gift. So this has hot cocoa in here, 2 chocolates, and then a little stir stick, candy stick. And I think this measures 4 by 6. You can just get a size that'll fit inside here. And I decorated the bottom with the paper. So I did it both ways. I'm not sure which way I like better. You can tell me down in the comments if you like it with the paper at the bottom. So for my sleeve here, I just traced on. Put this down on my designer paper, traced around, cut it out, and then glued it on. If you want to see the previous video from last night, I kind of show how I did that. So then I got out my laces, my twine, my ribbon, all kinds of things. Some flowers would be really pretty, and just decorated it. And then used the ephemera. I popped some of these ephemera pieces up with foam tape and added some glitter to the snowflake. You could also decorate the back if you wanted. And these just make great little gifts. If you make a bunch and just have them in a basket or something, and like if the mailman comes, you want to give them a gift for the holidays, or your mail woman, and your UPS driver, your neighbors, somebody that comes over. They're just really cute to have and give out. So here's another one. This one doesn't have the paper on the bottom. And I just decorated with some, look at these little dangly trim here, and then the burlap in the background, and then put a little candy cane on the back. This one I have a little clip holding this hot chocolate ephemera piece. There's a button there. So all this stuff was in my stash already, and I'm pretty sure you guys have some goodies sitting in your stash. Maybe you haven't used in a while. Get them out and just have some fun decorating. I like adding the little buttons on there, and then bows, and then the little lace trim at the bottom. And then here's another version. This one just holds the skinny hot cocoa packets, and I think I did film this one, so I'll film the tutorial on this. But if you go way back in my videos, probably 8 years ago, I have a tutorial on how to make a 6x6 pocket card, and then I leave the instructions to make this at the end. But I'll try to put up the tutorial in the next couple days. So great way to use your 6x6 paper pads. So I'll have the link in the description box to the release. I will have some single papers and some single ephemera listed, probably some of the stamps in case you want to pick up some extra paper and ephemera. Thanks for shopping, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.